Chancellor, that is not where that goes, baby. That is not funny. That is ugly. Yeah, you are cuckoo. You the one who stuck it in there? Why are you whispering? Who are you telling to come here? There is no one over there, honey. You are so nasty. Chipmunk. Chipmunk. You just want to be a drummer, don't you? You're doing an excellent job coloring. You just drum on anything. What you watching? Get that out your mouth. You just had that in your nose. That is so gross. Jesse, you are filthy gross. Show your sister what you're doing.